Want to be a straight A student? Relax. I'm not about to give you some boring study 10 hours a day, no social life lecture. I was the kid who found out the night before finals that there were 4 whole chapters I didn't even know existed. But then I actually paid attention to what the top students were doing. And guess what? They're not born with some extra brain cells. They just follow a few simple habits that make them look like geniuses. And today, I'm going to spill the 5 habits you can literally steal. Habit 1. Study smart, not hard. Straight A students don't grind 12 hours a day. They work smarter. They use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. They practice active recall. Close the book, ask themselves, okay, what did I just read? Boom, memory locked. And their notes? Not just pages of scribbles. They make diagrams, arrows, highlights, because your brain actually loves visuals. Habit 2. Consistency beats cramming. These kids aren't cramming monsters. They're consistent. 1 or 2 hours every day adds up way more than an all-nighter. Think about it. If you hit the gym one day, do 100 push-ups, then sit on the couch for a week, what happens? Nothing. School's the same way. Small daily effort wins the game. Habit 3. A realistic schedule. Top students make schedules, but here's the catch. They actually make realistic ones. Not that wake up at 4 a.m. and read the entire physics textbook before breakfast nonsense. They match their energy. Morning equals heavy subjects when their brain's fresh. Evening equals easier stuff or review. And the golden rule? Spend at least 30 minutes reviewing what you learned the day before. That's how knowledge sticks. Habit 4. Cut the distractions. You open your book and your phone goes, hey bestie, let's scroll TikTok for 2 hours. Yeah, no. Straight A students don't fall for that trap. They keep their phone in another room or on airplane mode. They treat study time like gym time. Don't mess with me, I'm training my brain. And yeah, they take breaks. But breaks equals coffee, music, quick walk. Not 87 reels later realizing the sun went down. Habit 5. Revision is the secret weapon. Here's where the magic happens. Review. Average students open the book the night before exams and panic. Straight A kids, they're chilling because they've already seen that material like 3 to 4 times. Their formula. Review once within 24 hours, again within a week, again before the exam. That's why during tests they're like, oh yeah, I know this one, it's basically my best friend. So yeah, becoming a top student isn't rocket science. Just copy these 5 habits. 1. Study smart. 2. Be consistent. 3. Make a realistic schedule. 4. Cut distractions. 5. Review like a boss. And here's a bonus tip. Get some sleep and eat real food. No amount of notes will save you if you're running on 2 hours of sleep and a Red Bull. All right,